Hi guys, welcome back to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project. In this project, we are going to see how to build this amazing, beautiful portfolio using React, Tailwind CSS, and TypeScript. So let's see our project. So here you can see that on the top we have a header with the logo, portfolio, and here we have a nav links, home, project, skills, about, contact, and here the day or night mode option. When you click on it, it will go to the dark mode. When you click on it, you will come to the light mode, right? So now here below we have a beautiful, your name will be there, and here your specialization in the full stack or any other stack, then contact me. And then we have a download cv button. Here we have a github, linkedin, and other social media links, right? Here we have a beautiful profile picture. When you scroll down, we have a project section. In this project we have beautiful filters, right, of website projects, application project, mobile projects. So you can add different types of project here, and you can filter it out. And in this we have a beautiful hovering effect also, you can see that on this beautiful card. And here we have a title of the project, then a small description about the project, what we have done in this project, and here the tech stack we have used in this project: react, node.js, mongodb, type, whatever tech stack you have used in your project you can mention here. And here is the demo, you can show the live working of your project, and here on the github you can show your code, right? Similar we have done for the other projects also. Now come back to skill and expertise. So here you can mention your which skill you are good at: front end, back end, database, mobile development, version control, cloud service, command line, problem solving. You can write many things based on your skills. And here we have about me. So here you can mention your about, a brief introduction about yourself, and a beautiful line. And here you can place your pictures also. And here you can below we can mention your how many experience you have, how many projects you have completed, how many cup of coffee, means how much you have earned, and how many clients you have. And here below we have a get in touch, so contact section. Here you can pass your email, phone number, location. And here if you want to send anything, and you can see that when you click on this, the beautiful animation on the top, and the text become upright, the placeholder text become to upright, so margin. And here you can see that we have a beautiful send button, so you can send message. But not only this, it is fully for the responsive and the dark model. So I'll show you responsiveness. First of all, we will see each section. So when I click on project section, it will go to the project section. When I click on skill section, it will go to the skill section. When I click on about section, it will go to the about section. When I click on contact section, it will go to the contact section. It is working fully fine. When I click on dark mode, night mode, you can see that dark light, right? It's working fine. When I go for responsiveness, it will be responsive for small devices is also. You can see that it is fully responsive, right? See, it is fully responsive for mobile devices, so it is responsive on tab also. So you can see that. And here when you click on this, you can see that home, projects, skill, about, contact, light mode, dark mode. You can see that how it's working. So it is responsive for small devices also, using this React and Lucid React for icons, and the some TypeScript and Tailwind CSS and Vite to create our React app. So I will explain this all the this code, about section, context section, how I made this all these things. So I will explain you in the upcoming videos. I will explain you in the next video all this code how I build this. So this all this code I will going to explain you, and we are using TypeScript, so I'll explain you what is TypeScript and all. So don't worry. If you want the source code of this, please comment source code. I will send the link to your comment, right? So comment source code. I'll send you the source code on our YouTube video. So hope you guys like our amazing project, right? And if you want the explanation, I will explain in the next video. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with the explanation of this project. So thank you.